Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol RIOT. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, a very rough day on this one, especially with the gap and trap, meaning the price closed right there on Tuesday, opened up right there, hence the gap up, and then made a move up there. Some poor souls bought right there, and then basically from there, it was all selling the rest of the day. So very brutal day here, and certainly updates need to be done. I'm going to go ahead and get rid of that line there. Sure, that level pertains is not necessarily relevant, and from the presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing confusion and clutter because there's lines everywhere you look. So let's try to keep this as clean as possible. But the first update that needs to be done comes about based on a foundational rule in charting, stating when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance. So if there is any sort of attempted consolidation, any sort of attempted, bottoming out, and then movement back to the upside, that's where the big question mark resides is, can the price not necessarily get back up to $48, but can the price break above it and stay up above it? So you're going to want to keep a close eye on that as that initial area of resistance. And then if the price can push up through 48, next key level to then watch closely would be up there right around 51.25. Now, what about levels of supports? For this, we're going to have to squeeze down the chart here quite a bit because as you can see here, been quite a while since the price has been down around this area. But the next key level of support to watch very closely, going to be right down there at that level, which sits at 43.75. And then after 43.75, next key level to watch down there at 41.35. So those are going to be in my opinion, at least the four most relevant technical levels to watch moving forward. But yeah, no doubt about it, the downwards pressure continues, and it's just a question now of can the price at least start to, bottom things out, consolidate a little bit. We'll see what happens over the next couple of days. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.